To operate the LG Smart TV, please take the remote control and turn on the TV. The system will automatically display the home screen. Next, using the joystick, the round button on the remote, select the available apps such as Netflix, YouTube, and others.
Cremes funcionam realmente? Vou.
To return to the main menu, press the Home House icon button. You can also launch Netflix, YouTube, Rakuten TV, Disney Plus, and Alexa directly using the dedicated buttons on the Smart TV remote. To watch international and local channels, press the button on the remote with the cable and plug icon. Then select Live TV on the screen. After that, use the plus and minus buttons, as shown in the video, to choose the desired channels. After watching TV, please turn it off to help conserve natural resources. Our team wishes you a good holiday.